Imagine making money while you sleep because an AI agent is handling all your customer calls. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your first voice AI agent in just 15 minutes without writing a single line of code. This isn't some theoretical nonsense. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional AI assistant that can answer phones, book appointments, take orders, and even handle customer complaints better than most humans. I've been building AI systems for the past 3 years, and I can tell you that voice AI is about to explode. We're talking about a market that's projected to hit $40 billion by 2028. The businesses that get in early are going to dominate their competition. The ones that wait are going to get left behind eating dust. But here's the crazy part. Most people think you need to be some coding wizard to build these things. That's completely wrong. The tools available today make it so simple that my grandmother could probably build one. And she still uses a flip phone. So why should you care about voice AI agents? Let me break it down for you. First, they work 24/7 without breaks, without sick days, without attitude problems. Second, they're consistent every single time. No more worrying about whether your staff is having a bad day. Third, they scale infinitely. One agent can handle thousands of calls simultaneously. Try doing that with human employees. The business applications are endless. Restaurants can take orders and reservations. Real estate agents can qualify leads and schedule showings. Medical offices can handle appointment bookings and basic inquiries. Service businesses can provide instant quotes and availability. E-commerce stores can handle customer support and process returns. The list goes on and on. Now, before we dive into the actual building process, let me address the elephant in the room. You're probably thinking this is going to be expensive or complicated. Wrong on both counts. The platform I'm going to show you today has a free tier that's perfect for getting started. You can literally test everything without spending a dime. All right, let's get into the meat and potatoes. We're going to use a platform that makes voice AI accessible to everyone. The interface is drag and drop simple, but don't let that fool you. Under the hood, this thing is powered by the same advanced AI models that big tech companies use. Step 1 is signing up for the platform. This takes about 2 minutes. You'll need an email address, and that's it. No credit card required for the free tier. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options. We're going to start simple and build from there. The first thing you'll want to do is define your agent's purpose. This is crucial because it determines how the AI will respond to different situations. Are you building a customer service agent, a sales assistant, an appointment scheduler? The clearer you are about the purpose, the better your agent will perform. Let's say we're building a customer service agent for a pizza restaurant. Your agent needs to handle 3 main tasks: taking orders, providing information about menu items and deals, and handling basic customer complaints. Keep it focused. Don't try to make your agent do everything on day 1. Now comes the fun part: configuring your agent's personality and voice. This is where you can get creative. Do you want your agent to sound professional and corporate, friendly and casual, energetic and enthusiastic? The choice is yours. You can even choose the accent, speaking speed, and tone of voice. Here's a pro tip that most people miss. Match your agent's personality to your brand and customer base. If you're running a laid-back surf shop, don't make your agent sound like a corporate lawyer. If you're running a high-end financial firm, don't make your agent sound like a teenager at the mall. The next step is training your agent with knowledge. This is where you upload information about your business. Menu items, pricing, policies, frequently asked questions, whatever your customers typically ask about. The more comprehensive your knowledge base, the better your agent will perform. But here's the key. Don't just dump a bunch of information and hope for the best. Organize it logically. Create categories. Use clear, simple language. Think about how a human would explain these things to a customer. Your AI agent will mirror the quality of information you provide. Now, let's talk about conversation flows. This is where you map out how conversations should go. What happens when someone calls? How does the agent greet them? What questions does it ask? How does it handle different scenarios? The platform provides templates for common business types, but you'll want to customize these for your specific needs. Here's where most people make a critical mistake. They try to script every possible conversation. Don't do this. Instead, focus on the main conversation paths and let the AI handle variations naturally. Modern AI is incredibly good at adapting to unexpected inputs while staying on track. Testing is absolutely crucial. Before you unleash your agent on real customers, you need to put it through its paces. Call it yourself. Have friends and family call it. Try to break it. Ask weird questions. See how it handles interruptions. The more you test, the better you'll understand its limitations and strengths. Pay special attention to edge cases. What happens if someone asks about something not in your knowledge base? How does it handle angry customers? What if someone speaks with a heavy accent or talks really fast? These scenarios will happen in the real world, so better to discover problems now than later. Integration is where the magic happens. Your voice agent shouldn't exist in isolation. It should connect to your existing business systems. Can it add appointments to your calendar? Can it send order information to your point of sale system? Can it create tickets in your customer service platform? These integrations turn your agent from a novelty into a business tool. The platform we're using offers dozens of pre-built integrations with popular business software. Setting these up usually involves just entering your account credentials and selecting what data should be shared. No coding required, but the functionality is enterprise level. Now, let's talk about phone numbers. Your agent needs a number that customers can call. You can either get a new number through the platform or forward an existing number to your agent. If you're just testing, start with a new number. If you're replacing an existing system, forwarding might make more sense. Here's a growth hack that most people overlook. Get local phone numbers for different markets you serve. Customers are more likely to answer calls from local numbers, and they feel more comfortable calling local numbers themselves. This simple trick can boost your response rates significantly. Monitoring and analytics are game changers. The platform provides detailed reports on every conversation. How many calls did you receive? What were the most common questions? Where did conversations go wrong? Which responses got the best results? This data is gold for improving your agent over time. Set up alerts for important events. If someone mentions a competitor, if there's a complaint about service, if someone asks about a product you don't carry. These insights can help you spot trends and opportunities you might otherwise miss. Now let's address some common concerns. What about privacy and security? The platforms handling voice AI take this seriously. Conversations are encrypted, data is protected, and you can configure what information gets stored. You maintain control over your customer data. What about reliability? Modern voice AI platforms have uptime rates above 99%. That's better than most human-staffed call centers, and when there are issues, they're usually resolved quickly without any action needed on your part. Cost is always a concern for small businesses. Here's the beautiful thing about voice AI. It's incredibly cost-effective compared to human staff. Even after you outgrow the free tier, you're looking at a fraction of what you'd pay for equivalent human coverage. And remember, your AI agent works around the clock. Let's talk scaling. Once you've got your first agent working well, expanding is straightforward. You can create specialized agents for different departments or services. You can add more phone numbers. You can integrate with additional systems. The infrastructure scales with your business. Advanced features become available as you grow. Things like sentiment analysis, call recording and transcription, advanced routing based on caller information, integration with CRM systems, and even video calling capabilities. The platform grows with your needs. Here are some insider tips for maximum success. First, keep your agent's responses concise. People calling businesses want quick, clear answers. Second, always provide a way to reach a human if needed. This builds trust and handles complex situations. Third, regularly update your knowledge base. Outdated information frustrates customers. Fourth, use your agent's data to improve your actual business. If customers keep asking about a service you don't offer, maybe you should consider offering it. If there are common complaints, address the root causes. Your AI agent becomes a window into your customers' needs. Fifth, don't try to hide the fact that it's AI. Be transparent. Most customers are fine with AI assistance as long as it's helpful and efficient. Trying to trick people usually backfires. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't make your agent too chatty. Don't overload it with information on day one. Don't forget to test edge cases. Don't ignore the analytics. Don't set unrealistic expectations with customers. The future of voice AI is incredibly bright. We're seeing improvements in natural language processing, emotional intelligence, multilingual support, and integration capabilities. Getting started now positions you to take advantage of these advances as they become available. Industries being transformed include healthcare, where AI agents handle appointment scheduling and basic triage. Real estate, where they qualify leads and schedule showings. Restaurants, where they take orders and reservations. Professional services, where they handle initial consultations and bookings. E-commerce, where they provide customer support and process returns. Your 15-minute investment today could transform how your business handles customer interactions. Imagine never missing another call. Imagine consistent, professional service every time. Imagine freeing up your human staff to focus on high-value activities while AI handles the routine stuff. The businesses winning in today's market are the ones embracing AI tools like this. They're more efficient, more scalable, and more responsive to customer needs. The businesses that ignore these tools are falling behind their competition. So here's my challenge to you. Take the next 15 minutes and build your first voice AI agent. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect use case. Just start with something simple and see what happens. You might be surprised at how quickly you find valuable applications. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every successful business started with someone taking that first step. Your first AI voice agent might not be perfect, but it'll be yours, and it'll be working for your business while you focus on growth. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. The question isn't whether voice AI will transform business communications. The question is whether you'll be leading that transformation or scrambling to catch up. Make your choice. Build your agent. Transform your business. The future starts now.